In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Outlook Signature. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make your emails look polished and consistent. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Outlook sign-in page. On that page, click Sign In. Choose the existing account you want to use and complete the sign-in as you normally would. Make sure you're logging into the correct mailbox, especially if you switch between personal and work accounts. Once your inbox loads, look to the upper right corner and click the Settings gear icon. This opens the quick settings panel. If you don't immediately see what you need, you can use the search bar in the panel and type Signature to jump straight there, but we'll continue through the menu for clarity. Within Settings, select Account. From there, choose Signatures. This takes you to the place where Outlook on the web manages your email signatures. If you've never created one before, you might see a blank signature area. If you already have one, it will be listed here. Find the signature you want to change and click Edit. This opens the editor where you can design and refine your signature. You can format text, adjust fonts and colors, and insert hyperlinks to your website or profiles. You can also add a small logo if needed. Keep images lightweight so your messages send quickly and display well across different devices. If you include an image, add alternative text to keep your signature accessible to screen readers and to provide context if the image doesn't load. As you edit, aim for a clean layout. A concise sign-off, your role or department, and essential contact information are usually enough. Avoid large graphics or long disclaimers unless your organization requires them. Consistent spacing and a simple color palette will help your signature look professional and readable on mobile. In the same area, you'll see options to apply your signature automatically to new messages and to replies or forwards. Turn these on if you want Outlook to insert your signature for you, or leave them off if you prefer to add it manually when composing. When you're satisfied, click Save to update. Outlook will apply your changes immediately. To confirm everything looks right, compose a new message and check the signature preview. If it doesn't appear automatically, you can choose it from the signature menu in the Compose window. That's it. Your Outlook signature is updated and ready to go. If your organization has brand guidelines, give your design a quick review to ensure it aligns with them. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.